How to fix Streamlabs Game Capture black screen. So as you can see here, I have a lot of options and a lot of ways on how you can fix that, but I'm gonna tell you the 4 ones that help me. So the first one is to delete the capture source, restart Streamlabs desktop as administrator, and re-add the source. Now the next one is to right click the shortcut on your desktop and select run as administrator. Now the third one is to simply install Visual C++ redistributable, this one here. And the last one that helped me fix this problem was to update all drivers and the software, the Streamlabs software. So basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.